What up, YouTube? We are here. Honolulu, Hawaii. Kahana Bay in the background. Look how beautiful this place is, man. Look at that. We lucky we live Hawaii, man. This is truly paradise. And today, we are gonna take you guys on an adventure. We're gonna be doing some showing net. We're gonna lay some net. And then we're gonna go across the street into the mountains and go catch some prawns in a river. And then tomorrow morning, we're gonna gather up everything we caught and do a cookout for you guys. So tune in. Isabella Life Vlogs, let's go. So this is our secret hideout. This is where we come to clear our minds and get away from all the hustle and bustle going on in the world. This is a very peaceful place. My brother Ray scouting the grounds with the throw net. Let's see if we can hit something. So we caught a taco, and I think we're gonna make some taco poke or some popcorn taco. And hey, look at that. We're gonna do something with this guy. Look at it. Ellie, look. What you guys want us to do with this taco? Taco poke or fry this taco up and make some popcorn taco? Let me know, man. But we're definitely gonna do something with this taco.
No. Tell me what's up. There you go.
So our lay net is tangled up. We didn't use it in a while. So we're gonna untangle it and get it set up so we can lay it in the ocean tonight. And hopefully we catch a bunch of fish for our fish fry tomorrow. For those of you who don't know what a lay net is, it's a net that can be anywhere from 25 to 100 feet long plus. So the net is set up. So we're gonna load it in a boat, lay it out in the ocean, and hopefully we hit a jackpot of fish. And lay net is my favorite method of fishing because if you lay it in the right grounds, for sure you're gonna hit a jackpot of fish. So I'm trying to focus on dropping this net in a straight line and keeping it tight with no slack. But my daughter Ellie is trying to hop out the boat and it's making it more complicated than it should be. You know Ellie, always doing Ellie things. So the net is laid and we're gonna leave it out for a few hours and hopefully catch a bunch of fish. So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. We just put the net out, we laid the net, me and the two girls and my boys. So hopefully we can catch a lot of fish tomorrow so we can have a crazy fish fry. We might make some fried fish. We might make some fish with black bean, depending on what we catch. Hopefully we catch some mois. I want to make some mois, fried moi with some butter garlic sauce. I used to eat that at one of my favorite restaurants, but they went out of business. But that was one of my favorite dishes over there, fried moi with butter garlic sauce. So hopefully we can catch some mois and I can whip that up tomorrow. Look how beautiful this is, man. Look at this scenery. Where in the world you can get a scenery like this? Tropical weather. I travel a lot, so I know how weather is all around the world. And we lucky we live Hawaii because we got top-notch weather all year long. So we are very fortunate. Trust me, guys. I've been to a lot of cold places, hot places. We got perfect weather all year long, man. So this is paradise. I was lost, but now you found me. I just need your arms around me. So we stopped at the grocery store to buy some snacks before river hunting, and also picked up some groceries that we really needed for our cookout tomorrow. Most will things that we're blessed with. Oh, what a shame. We got people out here with nothing to their name. All they want is to be free from this. So we're gonna go prawning, and I'm excited because this is Ellie's first time river hunting, and she loves adventures. So let's go hunt some prawns, and hopefully we can catch a bunch for the cookout tomorrow. So we are here in the river. This is a private river. Nobody really can come in here. And we are catching some prawns tonight. Hopefully we can catch a bunch so we can cook some up tomorrow. Figure out, make some kind of prawn pasta or something. So come along with us as we catch some prawns and wish us luck. Hopefully we don't come home empty-handed. But we got one already, so let's go. So we got 2 down so far. Not quite enough for a meal yet, but let's go. So I don't know what it is, guys, but the prawns from this river, the meat is so sweet and clean. I just love eating the prawns from this river.
See that light right there? There it is.
Appreciate the small things in life. Food on my table, I'm blessed. Shoes on my feet, I'm blessed. My bad, fish. What more does life have to offer?
Put it back in the body.
Starving with no food or water. The prawns is gonna eat it, so hopefully we still can drink. While we sleeping good in the night, they get slaughtered like swine while they run for their lives. Children dying, they laid out all over the floor. Mothers crying, they're trapped with nowhere to go. So this is our catch of the night, guys. Believe me, we could have got way more, but we don't want to over harvest. We just need enough for our cookout tomorrow. Here, Ellie, hold it. Show mommy. They're dead. It's dead.
That's crawfish crab shot.
You hold it in there.
You guys want to know where
Yeah, make one now.
they source their
Wow!
crawfish from? Support local. From the mountain to the sea, deep West Macau, only place I wanna be on this tiny little island in the middle of the sea.
So we're gonna go and check the net and see if we hit the jackpot. And hopefully no seals ate our fish.
West side, the best side. Smoking on recruiters as I'm riding down the coast. Sipping my Corona while I'm pulling up the yolks. It's a beautiful day on the west side. Now the sun is going.
The tail are all Vickies. These silver ones here are Oil. And then these ones are all Moi. And this is a Veil, a Foil. And then these 4 are Kahana Bay.
And which one is the best tasting?
The Moi, by far.
And which is the most common?
You're gonna go back to the ocean now. The most common one are probably Vickies.
Island in the middle of the sea. West side, best side, west side, the blessed side. West side, best side, west side, the blessed side.
We laid the net only like 2 hours. I can imagine if we left the net all night, but this is like 2 hours. We laid the net about 7, we picked it up at 9, and this is what we caught. Imagine if we laid the net overnight, we would have way too much fish. So I'm glad we picked it up at 9 o'clock, and this is what we caught. Old eels. Look at this old eels, man. We got mois. This is my favorite fish to eat right here. I heard back in the ancient Hawaiian days, only royalty could eat these, the mois. So this is my favorite fish, moi. And a lot of my friends, this is all our favorite fish right here to eat. You fry these guys up or steam it, it's the best. Then look at these, we got all these. Look at all this, look at this catch, man. So this is our catch. This is 2 hours, man. This is some good grounds right here for laying net. And this is what we got. So basically, this is our catch of the day. We caught this last night. We pulled the net out late at night, so we couldn't get it on film because it was too dark. But it's the next day, and this is what we're gonna cook. We're gonna cook up, not all of these, but we're gonna cook up some of these for you guys and show you guys how we do our catch and cook. This is the prawns we caught last night. I'ma just whip up some butter garlic with some oyster sauce with these prawns. Give them some flavor. Just something real quick and simple. Simple dish. But I like eating this kind of prawns with just a little bit butter, garlic, and cook it up with some oyster sauce. It's fire. Maybe add a little bit of onions. But this is our catch last night, man. So here we are. So we're gonna have some prawns and we're gonna have some fried fish. This is gonna be our lunch today, guys. So enjoy the cooking video. So basically, we're gonna scale the fish, cut the fish, and get it ready for the fish fry.
I can do it, Dad.
There you go, good. Little harder. Little harder. Yeah, like this, watch. So right now we're gonna gut the fish. We already scaled it. We took off all the scales. So now we gotta gut it. So when you gut it, cut the stomach. Then you just pull everything out. Get everything out of there. Clean it up. Then we throw it in the ocean. Feed the other fish. That's it. That's how you gotta fish. Look. It's clean now. Then you rinse it out. That's how we got the fish. Make sure they scaled it good. So we got the fish. Look at this. Look at this fish. This is eggs right here. Fish eggs. Pull everything out. Ocean.
Blue seas, no matter where we go, this will always be our home. She's all I've ever known. She's all I've ever known. Barbecues going on beachside. Smoke a little tree in the meantime. Walking in the sand through a
Then we feed the guts, the rest of the fish, in the sea.
palm trees, valleys, blue seas, sunsets, palm trees, valleys, blue seas. She's all I ever know. This will always be our home. She's all I've ever known. She's all I've ever known. Barbecues going on beachside. Smoke a little tree in the meantime. Walking in the sand.
These we're gonna fry, so I like this. Ripping out the whole gills and everything. These are the fried ones. Fried ones, they like taking out the gills. Don't fry these boys up, man. Look at that. Little fire. I'm gonna put some ocean. So the fish is clean, scaled, got it, and now let's get ready to fry these guys up. I can't wait, man. Fried fish is one of my favorite foods. I'm glad I grew up. My dad taught me how to do all that kind of stuff. Fish, lay nets, clean fish, cook fish. So shout out to my dad, man. He taught me all this kind of stuff growing up. So that's why I know how to do all this kind of thing. So we're gonna do a quick cleanup. Shoot down, get all the scales and guts back in the ocean so all the flies and bugs don't come around. So basically we're putting together this finadene sauce. My favorite sauce will eat fried fish with. So let me get one of these lemons. So basically we finishing up making this finadene sauce for the fried fish. This finadene sauce is my favorite, as you can see in all my videos, that I love using this sauce for anything, mostly steaks, fish. Eat this sauce with fried fish is fire. Absolute fire. We'll use one lemon. Absolute fire. Fire, fire, fire.
It doesn't matter from the outside. I see you shining from the inside out. Look in the mirror and know that you're so perfect. Don't you let nobody make you down. I gotta see you in the right place. You light the room up with your style and grace. I gotta catch you at the right time and let you know I wanna make you mine. Beautiful.
So here we go, butter. We got some lemon juice. We got some oyster sauce and some soy sauce. Then we're gonna add the fresh catch. Fresh prawns that we caught last night. So these prawns, we wanna cook it low and slow. Keep it on low heat. You don't ever wanna overcook seafood. You don't wanna be eating rubber. Make it mine, ride or die. I'ma lay it on the line. So basically, we're cooking these prawns with some butter, oyster sauce, soy sauce, lemon juice. Heat this up a little bit. But this is what we're here for. Look at this scenery. Look at this view, man. Look at this view. What YouTuber is doing it like this, man? Nobody. Who be cooking out, catches and cooks it with this kind of scenery? Look at that. So my boy Ray is over here whipping up this ribeye steaks, and I know everybody is hungry, and like me, I know they can't wait to eat. Crawfish is done. The prawns is done, and now I'm gonna try one. Let's test one out, man. Lot of flavor. Lot of flavor. So we're gonna put this octopus on the grill. call it taco in Hawaii, or he'e. Get it halfway cooked, then put this cover back on the grill so we can smoke it. Get a real smoky flavor on it.
You're my everything, forever. Wherever I go, you know I belong to you. Wherever you
So we're gonna cut the sausages up,
my heart keeps on calling you back. It's the love,
and last but not least, we're gonna fry this fish up. This is the fish fry we've been talking about all yesterday. And I know everybody is hungry, so we're gonna speed this up so everybody can eat and we can wrap this thing up.
kissing on your body from your head to your toes. I'ma take you places where the rest can go. Whatever I want, you don't ever say no. Got you on your knees while I grip on your head. Pull you by your hair, throw you back on the bed. Look you in your eyes.
So this is the taco we caught yesterday. We smoked it on the grill. It looks burned, but don't mind that. This shit is absolute fire and tender. I like eating the younger taco, the smaller tacos, because to me the bigger tacos, the real big ones, is more tough. Like these right here, super tender. Oh, fire! With the finadene sauce, crazy. So, this smoked taco is absolutely fire. Fire, fire, fire. I wish you guys could try this, man. Believe me, absolute tender, absolute fire.
I can tell it's over when I look you in your eyes. You're saying that you're happy, well okay, just keep telling me more lies. I don't feel the love, so why you sleep?
So you seen it, our Punaloo vlog. So we went throwing net, we went laying net, we went hunting in a river, we did a catch and cook. So we did it all. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching my YouTube channel, watching all my vlogs. Thank you for everybody tuning in. We really appreciate you. And this is our Punaloo vlog. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe when this video comes out. Isabella Life Vlogs, we're out.
Didn't matter the outcome, 'cause you kept a smile on my face.